What?
Today, Vania doing her first Ramadan fasting in her life. Inshallah, she will continue this.
Yay!
Yeah. Do you want to say something about your first Ramadan fast? The first fasting in your life.
I had better and headache, but I still made it.
Alhamdulillah. You have to say Alhamdulillah.
Mashallah, Alhamdulillah.
Then,
I hope you guys can do it too.
what we made in your first Ramadan, first fasting?
My favorite thing, cheese.
Let me show you. This is our favorite thing. All I made. এটা এখানে চিজ আছে, চিকেন আছে, সমোচা আছে, দেন চিকেন নাগেট আছে, দেন চিকেন পপকর্ন আছে, আমাদের ছোট্ট একটা বাটিতে খেজুর আছে, আর ওয়ানিয়া মেড হার শরবত. What is that called? Lemonade. Yeah, happy?
I hope you guys like it too.
Yes.